I'm gonna go inside that doghouse.
Just go already.
Fine.
Don't hurt yourself.
Again.
It was hilarious the first time.
Ow. Okay, I'm almost there. Yeah.
Was that your head?
Yeah. Huh?
Was that your head?
No. Ow. Ow. Okay, this is all I can fit. Wait, hold on. Oh my god. Call my mom.
No, because then she's because then she's gonna say, I don't like her. Look at what she's making you do.
Okay, this is all I can fit in my back.
Wait, there's a cable here. Okay.
I feel like I'm stuck. My leg. There's a short air supply. I feel like my dog's gonna have to come in and make the hole bigger.
Oh my god. Oh, I swallowed a piece of enchilada and it came back up. Ew.
Ew.
I'm laughing too hard. Come out.
I don't know. Do you want to bring me some butter?
Some butter?
Yeah. Call my mom to help me.
I'm not gonna call her. You do it.
JT.
Yes.
It's so hot in here. Okay, hold on.
Ew, did you hear that? There's no.
I'm getting scared. Okay, hold on. This isn't gonna work.
Are you done?
I can't get out. It's like
That's why you need a life alert.
Doghouse.
Call life alert.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cold outside. I'm gonna die.
I'm shaking the phone too much because I'm
It's
laughing.
like the police come, they find me dead inside a doghouse.
They're all gonna blame it on me.
Huh?
They're gonna blame it all on me.
How did I get out last time?
You put both of your feet out.
Because this one's the one I put inside and not this one.
Well, this one has to like make this one go over here.
Okay, so I put this one in?
Yeah, put this one in, then make this one come out first.
I can't, JT.
Well, then saca la otra.
How?
Just sácala.
This one?
Yeah.
I can't! You snap.
Well, instead of...
I'm getting scared.
Okay, well, instead of just doing what you're doing right now... Hold on. Can't even see anything. It's too dark.
Wanna call my mommy?
No, I'm not gonna call her. Ow, my knee popped. Okay, so you know how... Okay, so you know how you're like... Put this one out? Now this one, put it like here so it can go
It
out.
does not go through there. Oh my god! Still recording.
Ew, you're all sweaty.
This came out of having sex in the house.
In the dog house.
Dog house.
With a bunch of dogs.
Oh,
Dog orgy.
I don't watch TV anymore. That was embarrassing.
Very.
Lucy.